don't bounce out of bed, you crawl. Your body feels heavy, your back aches, even your breath feels tight. Let's shift that, let's hit the mat. Start in tabletop. As you inhale, arch your back, tailbone up, chest open. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, belly to spine. It's simple but powerful. This is breath-led mobility for your entire spine and your nervous system. I promise this will wake up your core, calm your mind, and release hidden tension in the shoulders and hips. Beginners, keep your range small and slow. Advanced, add gentle hip circles or spinal waves. Did you know breath alone can shift your posture? Let's sync your breath with motion now. Hold the next exhale and round just a bit more. That just turns your breath into movement. Now let's unwind the spine even deeper. From tabletop, thread your right arm onto your body and rest your right shoulder and temple to the mat. Left arm reaches long. This opens the thoracic spine, the part of your back that gets frozen when you hunch forward all day. This will improve your rotation, shoulder health, and even your breathing pattern. Beginners, keep hips stacked. Advanced, reach your top arm overhead or behind your back. Hold for 5 more seconds. Feel that deep twist through the ribs. Let's switch sides now. Unlock both sides evenly. Other side. Reach and settle into the stretch. Don't rush. Let it unfold. You still feel tight? Breathe into that space between your shoulder blades. That just cleared space up top. Now we target the tension below. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh, pull the left leg in and hold. Your glutes and hips carry more than weight. They store stress, emotion, and fatigue. I promise this move helps release all of it and protects your lower back in the process. Beginners, keep the foot down. Advanced, hug the shin closer or rock gently. Five seconds. Go deeper if your body's ready. Switch sides. Cross left ankle over right thigh. If one side feels tighter, pay attention. Your body always tells you what it needs. That just unlocked your hips. Now we open up the front body. Lie on your belly, prop yourself up on your forearms, elbows under shoulders, chest open. This one is one of the gentlest ways to open your spine and one of the most underrated. I promise it decompresses your lower back, resets posture, and helps counteract sitting. Beginners, keep the chest lower. Advanced, engage glutes and lift chest slightly more. Did you know your lower back is often loud because your core is quiet? Hold steady, 5 more seconds. Feel your spine breathe. That just brought your spine back to life. Now let's finish with posture you'll carry into your day. Kneel or stand tall, interlace your hands behind you and draw your knuckles down, opening the chest wide. This is the posture reset your phone can give you. It pulls you out of that tech slump and back into alignment. I promise this will lift your mood, sharpen your focus, and help you breathe more fully. Beginners, hold a towel or strap behind your back. Advanced, fold forward while keeping your hands lifted. Lift your hands just 1 inch higher. 5 more seconds. That just resets your whole frame, inside and out. We're starting with stability, because a strong day needs a steady foundation. From tabletop, extend your right arm and left leg. Pause, reach long, then roll elbow to knee under your body. Slow and controlled. I promise this will light up your deep goal, align your spine, and prep your body to handle real life without breaking down. Beginners, tap the floor for balance. Advanced, try holding the extension for 3 seconds each rep. Now switch sides. Left arm, right leg. Here's the truth. If your core doesn't fire, your hips and back take the hit. Hold the next extension. Now squeeze your glute for 5 more seconds. That just stabilizes your spine. Now let's power it up from underneath. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip width. Press through your heels, lift your hips, squeeze at the top. This is more than a glute move. It's the ignition switch for your entire backside. I promise strong glutes protect your knees, power your posture, and prevent lower back pain. Beginners, keep it slow and steady. Advanced, hold the top position and add pulses. Still feeling tight in the hips? That's your body telling you something. Let's keep loosening it layer by layer. Give me 1 more rep. Hold at the top and squeeze. That just fired up your engine. Now let's train control through the hips. Come to a tall kneeling position, sit your hips back towards your heels, then press back up using your glutes and hips. Not momentum. This teaches control, not just movement. And when you're grounded, everything else feels more stable. I promise this improves hip mobility, strengthens your core, and helps rewire your lower body movement pattern. Beginners, place hands on thighs. Advanced, cross arms or hold light weights. Here's a fun fact. This drill is often used to retrain athletes post-injury. That's how foundational it is. Try slowing it down for the next rep. Can you feel both hips working evenly? That just resets your movement control. Now we target what's still locked up deep inside. Sit on the floor, feet flat in front of you, knees bent. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and switch sides. Rotate from the hip socket, not the knees. This one sneaks up on you, but it's one of the most important things you can do for long-term joint health. I promise this helps unlock chronic tension, especially if you sit for hours or sleep curled up. Beginners, use hands for support. Advanced, sit up tall, no hands, and slow it down. Let's play a little game. Try 3 more reps with 0 arm support. Still feel stuck? That's exactly why we're doing this. That just cleared the hips. Now let's finish with the chain that holds it all together. Stand tall, soften the knees, slowly fold forward. Let your arms hang, head heavy, breathe. This is where you decompress, where you let gravity help, where you let go. I promise this stretches your hamstrings, calves, and spine all at once, and it creates a full body exhale you didn't know you needed. Beginners, keep a bend in your knees. Advanced, try gently straightening the legs or clasping opposite elbows. Can you reach just 1 inch lower than you thought? Let it go. All of it. 5 more seconds. That just aligned your full chain. Now carry the posture into your day.